There is a beneficiation plant in Henan Province, China, which crushes iron ore and selects iron. This kind of equipment configuration was used before, and the jaw crusher was used first, and the material was discharged into the cone crusher. The cone crusher crushed the raw material to less than 3 cm, and then entered the ball mill. Due to the relatively large feed particle size, the output of the ball mill has not been able to meet the design requirements. After learning about the Huashengming hydraulic double roll crusher, they chose one of the 3 production lines and added one hydraulic roller crusher. The raw material is crushed from 3 cm to less than 8 mm, and then enters the ball mill. After actual use, the output of the ball mill has increased by more than 50% after a few months. Seeing the effect, the customer decisively purchased 2 more crushers and upgraded the other 2 production lines. Currently, the 3 production lines are operating normally. The customer is very satisfied. Customers from all over the world are welcome to visit China.